Today we're going to take a look at a Honda HRX 2168 VKA. The auto choke on this is giving it problems. It won't start unless you spray starting fluid in it. We're going to fix that. Let's see if this thing runs. It probably won't because it won't choke, but we'll give it a try. Let's fix the auto choke. I'm going to show you how to change the Thermo Wax cartridge. The part we're going to be installing is right here. Part number is 16620-Z8D as in Delta -842. It's real easy to change. So changing the wax pellet is really pretty easy. All it requires on the Hondas is a 10mm. Take the air cleaner off. There's two bolts inside here. One right here and one right next to it. We slide the carburetor away. Let me see if I can angle you a little bit better. See that right there? This is the Thermo Wax Pellet, or as Honda calls it, the Thermo Wax Assembly. And you just pull it out and slip your new one in. So how this works is really easy. You see how this plunger's out and it's stuck? This should be in the cold position. That'll allow your choke to go on, and then as this heats up, this plunger will move out. But as you can see, it's stuck. So all we have to do is take a new one. They're not expensive. It's an easy repair. I think they're like $5 or $7. And you just slip it right inside here. I know my hand's in the way. See it in there? And then just put our carburetor and air cleaner assembly back on. That's it. Throw this air cleaner back on and call it good. Thanks for watching, commenting, viewing, subscribing. Got any questions, criticisms, complaints, whatever, just leave it in the comment box below. Until the next video, we'll see you later. Okay. Let's see how this thing runs. There we go. Runs like a charm now.